जो नाजरीन अस्सलाम वालेकुम पढ़ान रुस्तुम सोराब ये करो सवाल गोड़थुक सवाल why was Rustum not able to live with his wife for a long time? Because Rustum was called back by the king of Parisha. The king did not feel safe unless Rustum was in his kingdom to protect and defend it. Question number 6. Why did Tanmiya send word to the Rustum that their child was a daughter? Among answer, Tanmiya knew that when the boy grew up, Rustum would be eager to have him follow in his footsteps. So the Tanmiya sent word to Rustum that their child was a daughter. Question number 3. What secret did Saurabh learn from his mother? Answer. Saurabh learned from his mother that he was the son of great Rustum, the shield of Risha. Question number 4. What did Tanmiya want Saurabh to do when he met his father? The Tanmiya said to the Saurabh, the precious stone you wear on your arm was given by your father to me at the time of parting. If you find him, show it to him and he will know who you are.